This here now some carrot, you know. Carrot wash. You have to come through and mold them up. Wash. Pure carrot. Pure carrot family. Pure carrot. Carrot and Irish potato. Irish potato, their head. Yes. As far as the eyes can see. Pure carrot, straight out. Pure carrot family. What a blessing. Get some cucumber. Rain, wash it. Yes, guys, as you can see. And love family, peace and love. Me a reap. Yeah, the rain wash out it. So me have to take out some. Nice, pretty carrot. Yeah. It's family grand rising, peace and love. Family me up on the farm. Yes, me just a do a quick video on the farm. Show you how luscious and beautiful the Irish is. Yes, although we pass through the storm. Look how beautiful. Oh my God, family. Look at the beautiful Irish potato. Oh. It is a beauty. See cucumber through Irish. Wow, everything pretty. See the beautiful blossom and the Irish cucumber. My God, what a blessing. bag of Irish potato. They have red peas. Peace and love again, family. Peace and love, Grand Rising. Oh my God, this is a blessing. It is a blessing. Oh my God. If you know how many people Irish wash out and things gone, but thank God. Thank God for me still standing. God know everything. God know everything. God knows me lose 5 bags in December. God know everything. God know everything. Everything look good. Give thanks unto the Most High. Yes, family. Irish potato, stand up like a man. Amen. 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 Oh my God, it is a good look. It is a good look. It stand up. In spite of all the rain we fall a couple days, you know. Whoa. I tell you, this is a good look. This is a good look. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Everything up. Everything up and running. Tell your family, God bless on earth, no man curse. Yes. A whole heap of people losing Irish, but we give thanks. We give thanks and praise because we still looking good same. Two root did wash out. And me have to give thanks to the man who rode the land. Me have to pick up the brother who rode the land. Me have to tell us he rode the land very good. Very good, he rode the land good. Sometimes when you get washing in your ground, it depends on how you do things. Depends on how you rode the land. And me I tell us say, him rode the land good. I first me get that little piece of land I rode so good. Me have to give thanks to the brother who rode. Me I tell you. Because me I tell us saying do it row by row. Me I tell you, if not go this and not go this and not come back this and just make sure you row properly. So when you row properly, yes, the water go through the jail. Enough people don't know that. The water just go through the hill, go through the trench. And me give thanks. Big up Marcel. Yes, Marcel, you do a good job. Yeah, man. Family, peace and love, Grand Rising, see it? Water wash. But everything we have to give thanks. Me have on the spray pan for my back, so me just do a quick video. See it? Water wash them out. Believe it or not. Water. In spite of everything, we have to give thanks. Give thanks for the energy. Peace and love again, family. Have a wonderful day. Please like, subscribe, and share, family. Yes. Yes, family. In spite of everything, we have to give thanks. Yes, family. It's a good look same way. It is a good look same way. Yesterday this happened. Yesterday that a Saturday, this hard rain started falling from Thursday straight back. So yesterday this happened. So in spite of everything, we have to give thanks. Yeah. There's a lot of carrot. We have to give thanks. In spite of everything. Me have a spray pan for my back, so bless up. Family, peace and love, Grand Rising. Yes, everything look good same way. See the Patrick, that me have to do. Me get that piece of plastic there from over greenhouse, piece of something like, you don't even know. But it come like then use the met door, so them throw it over the greenhouse, so me get it. And me back up this from inside. Yes, me back up this from inside. Yeah, see how them clean and pretty they now. Yeah, them clean and pretty, you know. Mm-hmm. Them clean and pretty. Hopefully not wet again.